Hi, today we are going to learn about adding and subtracting fractions with same denominator. What is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole. It tells us how many parts of a whole we have. For example, out of 4 parts of a watermelon, you get 1 part. And the fraction you have is 1/4, that is 1 out of 4. The top part of the fraction is called the numerator. It shows the number of parts that you have. The bottom part of the fraction is called the denominator. It shows the total number of parts the whole is divided into. We can represent it like this. Adding and subtracting fractions with same denominator. A watermelon is cut into 4 pieces. Rumi has 1 piece of watermelon. He gets 2 more pieces. We can say he has 1/4 added to 2 quarters of watermelon. That in total is 3 quarters. Similarly, a watermelon is cut into 4 pieces. Rumi has 2 pieces of watermelon. He gave 1 piece to his friend. We can say he has 2/4 take away 1/4, that is equal to 1/4 of watermelon. It's easy to add and subtract fractions when the denominators are the same. We just need to add or subtract the numerators and the denominators stay the same. For example, add 2/9 and 3/9. Here, the denominators are the same, so we'll add just the numerators. 2/9 added to 3/9 would give you 5/9. Let's try a few questions. Question 1. Paris has 3/8 of a pizza. She gave 1/8 out of it to Jessica. What fraction of the pizza is left with her? Fraction of pizza with Paris is equal to 3/8. Fraction of pizza given to Jessica is 1/8. Therefore, fraction of pizza left with Paris is equal to 3/8 take away 1/8, that is equal to 2/8. Question 2. Neve had 1/5 of a donut box. She got 3/5 more from her mother. She gave 2/5 of it to her sister. What fraction of the donut box is left with her? Step 1. We'll first find the total fraction of donut box with Neve. So for that we need to add 1/5 and 3/5 to get the answer as 4/5. Step 2. We'll subtract the fraction given to her sister. Therefore, we need to subtract 2/5 from 4/5. That would give us the answer as 2/5.